Lucius the Eternal is the champion of the Chaos God Slanesh and a Lord Commander of the Emperor's Children Traitor Legion. Lucius is also known as the Soul Thief, Fulgrim's Champion, Blade of Aeons, and the Scion of Chemos. Many millennia ago, Lucius was a proud space marine of the Emperor's Children Legion, following his Primarch Fulgrim across the galaxy in the name of the Emperor. Forsaking all experience other than the art of close combat with a sword, Lucius bore the scars of battle with pride, and over time he began to acute pain with success. By the time the Emperor's children had been seduced by Horus's rebellion, Lucius had cut deep lines across his face, head, and chest, linking his scars in a maze of irregular patterns that distorted and deformed his features. Lucius slowly descended into madness. He was compelled by the whispers in his mind to commit even more extreme acts, furthering an intense obsession with being the perfect swordsman. Lucius continued to distinguish himself in the service of his Primarch as the Third Legion descended into Chaos worship. He fought with incredible speed and skill in the gladiatorial contests Fulgrim held when the Legion was travelling from world to world. Lucius was almost invincible, a force of nature that could not be bested. The champion remained undefeated until he was finally slain fighting the infamous Lord Commander Sirius. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.